It's update time. Apple just released iOS 26.2. You might expect just bug fixes, but these point updates often hide the most meaningful changes. The real magic? Subtle tweaks that shape your daily experience and hint at Apple's future direction. While iOS 26.0 brought the big features, 26.2 is all about refinement, making what you already use smarter and more personal. These updates are where Apple listens to feedback and polishes the experience. We're talking about improvements that make your phone feel more tailored to you. In this breakdown, we'll uncover the secret tweaks Apple didn't mention, like a new sleep score, a slick lock screen effect, and smarter reminders and podcasts. These aren't just bug fixes, they're signals of a bigger shift in Apple's strategy. It's about making your iPhone more intuitive, personal, and helpful. Let's dive in and see what's really new in iOS 26.2. Get ready to discover the hidden gems. The theme of iOS 26.2, refinement, intelligence, and personalization. Apple's focusing on health tracking, AI-powered assistance, and making your iPhone truly yours. On the health front, there's a new sleep score. Finally, actionable sleep data. Personalization gets a boost with a new lock screen effect. AI is woven throughout, making reminders and podcasts smarter and more helpful. This isn't flashy AI, it's practical, seamless, and invisible. Every change is about making your iPhone more effective and enjoyable. Apple's not just adding features, they're perfecting them. Let's start with the biggest refinement, sleep score. Sleep tracking just got smarter. The new sleep score gives you a single, easy-to-understand number, 1 to 100, rating your night's rest. It analyzes your sleep stages, consistency, and interruptions, then distills it all into one score. Wake up groggy? Check your score and see why. Maybe too little deep sleep or too many interruptions. The app even offers insights like suggesting your late-night coffee might be the culprit. This turns the health app into an active coach, not just a data logger. No more guessing, just actionable feedback. It's a huge step forward, making sleep science accessible to everyone with an Apple Watch. You don't need to be an expert, just check your score. Classic Apple, simple, elegant, and genuinely useful. A feature you'll use every day. The lock screen gets a new trick, liquid glass. It's a subtle, fluid distortion effect that reacts as you tilt your phone, making your wallpaper feel alive. Using the gyroscope and accelerometer, it warps images in real time. You can adjust the intensity to match your style. City skylines shimmer, geometric patterns flow. It's mesmerizing. It's not about functionality, but about delight and personalization. Apple's giving you more ways to make your iPhone feel unique. The lock screen is now more dynamic and personal than ever. A small detail, but it makes a big difference. Apple News is redesigned for clarity and personalization. The new For You tab is broken into clear sections: briefing, deep dives, local news, and curated spotlights. It's easier to find what matters and discover new topics. Advanced AI now powers recommendations, learning your interests with nuance. The feed feels more like a personal magazine than a generic aggregator. Cleaner, smarter, and more relevant. Apple News is now a true daily destination. It's a thoughtful update that fixes old complaints. A refined app that's finally living up to its promise. Podcasts and reminders just got a lot smarter. Podcasts now auto-generate chapters using AI, letting you jump to the topics you care about. No more endless scrubbing. Smart follow links recognize when a host mentions another show and create instant tappable links in the notes. Discovering new podcasts is now seamless. Reminders gets contextual smarts. Type, "Call Mom tomorrow afternoon," and it'll suggest a time based on your habits. The app learns when you usually make calls and adapts. These aren't flashy features, but they save time and reduce friction. Apple's AI works quietly in the background, making your daily tasks easier. Auto chapters, smart links, and intelligent reminders. Once you try them, you won't want to go back. It's practical AI, the Apple way. These updates make your iPhone feel like a true assistant. Subtle, but transformative. Everyday tasks, now effortless. Freeform, Apple's digital whiteboard, is now better for teams. New alignment and distribution tools let you organize objects with a tap, no more fiddling. You can follow a collaborator's view in real time, perfect for presentations or group brainstorming. Smarter connectors snap to objects and avoid overlaps, making diagrams cleaner and faster to build. These updates make Freeform a real contender for collaborative work. Apple's listening to feedback and focusing on real-world pain points. The result? A more fluid, efficient, and creative experience. Freeform is now a first-class tool for teams and individuals alike. Want to try iOS 26.2? Here's how. First, back up your device. Beta software can be buggy. Go to Apple's beta software program site, sign in, and enroll. On your iPhone, open Settings, General Software Update, tap Beta Updates and select iOS Public Beta. Return to Software Update and you'll see iOS 26.2 Public Beta ready to download. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have enough battery. Download, install, and your phone will restart with the new beta. Explore the new features and enjoy. Remember, it's beta. Expect a few rough edges. Step back, and iOS 26.2 reveals Apple's vision, AI and personalization at the core. Sleep Score, Smarter News, podcasts and reminders, all use AI to make your phone more helpful without shouting about it. Apple's AI is subtle, private, and proactive, anticipating your needs before you ask. Even the liquid glass effect fits the theme of making your device uniquely yours. This isn't just a minor update, it's a signpost for Apple's future. The iPhone is becoming an active partner, not just a tool. Expect this trend to accelerate as on-device power grows. AI is now the foundation of iOS. What do you think of this direction? Let me know in the comments. The future of iPhone is smarter, more personal, and more helpful than ever.